How to delete Spotify account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Spotify account. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through it. First, what you want to do is head into your phone browser and then search in for spotify.com. Now I'll just head into spotify.com here and you'll be able to log into your account once the Spotify browser opens up, and if you log in you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure to log into the account that you want to delete. I've already logged into my account. What you want to do is tap on settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is tap on view account. Now once view account, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon above at the top right corner too, and then head into support. Now once on support, what you want to do is scroll down below and head into account help, and here head into account settings, and here you'll find the third option, closing your account and deleting your data. Tap on it and open it up, and simply tap on close your account and delete your data, and here it'll load up another page. Let it load up and again tap and close my account and delete my data, and it'll take you to this Spotify support where you can message. Now simply type in close my account. Now once you send it, this Spotify support or the agent will get back to you, and you can enter your username and type in close my account and then go through the necessary steps, and once you do it you'll be able to delete Spotify account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.